Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We begin this segment with a prime time news follow-up. Now, sugarcane farmers in Westmoreland are contemplating their next move as the harvesting season came to an abrupt end. Our reporter, Kimberly Petty, has been monitoring the developments there and filed this report.
Cane farmers in Westmoreland, Little London, Westmoreland say they have suffered great loss as they have hundreds of acres of cane that has not been reaped. And so they have questions now for the authorities more than answers.
I don't know if it's scheduled that they plan to close it. And we would like to know where we stand with the company, or if they're going to be in business with the farmers, anymore. The cane farmers are concerned about their business and they want to get back into the sugarcane business as usual, but we need some answers from whoever is in charge.
Miss Millicent Subaran, a cane farmer and the vice chairman for the Westmoreland and Hanover Cane Farmers Association, said she and other farmers have been left in the dark. The harvesting season, as they had it, was scheduled to end on May 10. Our news team caught up with the farmers today who showed us the extent of their losses. I am here in a cane field in Westmoreland, Little London. In my hands, spoiled cane, as farmers said they were given a short notice that the season will end for Pan Caribbean Sugar Limited.
We don't get sufficient time to harvest our crop and the ending of this crop because they extend their date until the 8th of May. And on the 2nd of May, they say all cane should be coming, which wherein people did burn before the 2nd of May. So instead of coming in like give we 2 more days to harvest our cane coming, they called so all cane should be coming on the 2nd of May.
Miss Miller is doubtful she'll be planting any crop for the upcoming season following the shock she received this season, and she's not the only one who wants to call it quits. Roy Tuller is also a cane farmer. This 75-year-old man told TVJ News that he's disheartened as he's an amputee and was unable to reap close to 1,000 acres of his cane.
Right now, me just give up, because me are 75, 9th April gone. Me 75 and then now me come back and lose one of my legs. So me unable to go out and to do hard work again the rest of my time what me have here now. I just kids me have to depend on so down the line,
The elderly man says unlike other farmers who plant other crops, he only focuses on cane, which is his main source of income.
It's rough, and as for me, I put everything in cane, everything. I don't have a goat kid. Everything was cane. But for the Chinese, them took over, man, not pretty.
Geraldine Robinson was depending on the profits from this season to help her rebuild her home that was destroyed during Hurricane Melissa. The distraught farmer said she's now back at square one.
My house completely demolished because I have a board house, it's 4-apartment board house, and it's totally demolished. I don't get anything. So the cane would help me to be able to achieve something from it.
She also spoke of the hefty cost of chemicals and manure to treat the crop. The farmers are hoping to hear something concrete from the authorities. They also spoke about monies owed to them by the company for the 2019 and 2022 seasons. Our news team contacted Agriculture Minister Floyd Green for a comment on the matter. However, he said he did not receive any information from the farmers' representative nor the company about the issue. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.